Showbiz fanatics, Catherine Bernardo, kinumpirma na ang hiwalayan nila ni Daniel Padilla. At ang lahat ng yan ay pag-uusapan natin. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. And please don't forget to hit the all para ikaw ang unang-una makakapanood sa lahat ng ating mga updates. Finally, ay binasag na nga ni Miss Catherine Bernardo ang kanyang katahimikan matapos po mag-circulate sa lahat ng social media platform at pinagpiestahan ng ilan sa mga showbiz insiders ang rumors patungkol sa kanilang paghihiwalay di umano nitong ni Mr. Daniel Padilla. Catherine Bernardo, a kapamilya star, has finally spoken up about the rumors circulating her relationship with Daniel Padilla. 25 minutes ago, ngayong araw ng Huwebes, November 30, the kapamilya star took to her official Instagram page at Bernadette Co to upload a series of statements. When we check about the Instagram account, ito po ay verified at ito po ay talagang account talaga ni Miss Catherine. In her online post, Catherine finally confirmed that she and Daniel have parted ways, but saying that what she and Daniel had was real. Following her statement, Catherine wrote in the caption of her online post that their chapter was finally closed and that she hopes her statement helped making everyone move forward. She, however, said that she would no longer be entertaining questions about the issue anymore. So, sa kanyang caption, sabi niya, chapter closed. I hope this finally helped us all move forward. I won't be entertaining questions regarding this anymore. Thank you for understanding, she wrote. So, ibig sabihin, tinatapos niya na po yung issue na to, pero never na po siya magsasalita. Sa kanya pong lengthy Instagram post, sabi niya, I've been in showbiz for almost 21 years now, 12 years as the one half of Katniel, and 11 years as someone who loved Dij, even behind the camera. I didn't grow up in this industry constantly being controlled and dictated on. I was lucky to have had the best guidance and support system when I started my career, and I've continuously worked hard to earn people trust. But since I become an adult, I took it upon myself to take charge of my own life. The project I work on, the way I dress, the people I surround myself with, I've always tried to be own person. I was encouraged to think to myself and decide to myself. I promise to never lose myself in this industry, so I've always been as authentic to you as I can be. I know what many of you are thinking right now. I'm well aware of the rumors and speculation going around, and as hard as it is to put everything into words, I want you to hear it straight from me. It's true that Dij and I have decided to part ways. So dito nga tinuldukan na ni Miss Catherine Bernardo at inamin niya na talagang hiwalay na po sila ni Mr. Daniel Padilla. Ito po'y nangangahulugan lang na tama nga no, yung sinabi po ni Mr. OG Diaz, doon po kasi siya ang talagang naglabas ng issue na ito eh. Sabi niya, what's Dij and I was real. It was never for show. We were together not because of the cameras, not because of the fans, not because of the money that comes with a successful love team. We were genuinely in love. We grew up together, dreamed together, and so many of those dreams become a reality. Still together, that almost half of my life that I would never regret and would never trade for anything in the world. These are 11 years that brought me joy, adventure, and the feeling of being home. Years that taught me the real meaning of unconditional love and friendship. He knew me more than anyone else. He was my first boyfriend. He was my comfort zone. He was my person. I will always have love for him. Grabe yung mga sinasabi ni Catherine Bernardo, no? Which means na talagang naging mundo niya si DJ. Naging mundo ni Catherine si DJ, ano? For almost 12 years, no? Nakasama niya si DJ po. Is inamin niya, totoo talaga yung kanilang ipinapakita. Like any other relationship, we tried our best to make it work. We've been drifting apart for a while now, and we ultimately had to accept that we can go back to where we used to be. It's just won't be fair to pretend that everything's still the same. These past few months have been tough, but thank you for giving us the time we need to process the pain and finally face the elephant in the room. Our love story began with respect and ended with respect. So, ibig sabihin, kung nakikita man natin sila together in one place, nakikita natin sila na magkasama dahil po naghiwalay sila ng maayos. Sabi ni Miss Catherine na nagsimula yung kanilang love story na may respeto sila sa isa't isa at nagtapos din sila sa ganun, ano. So, talagang totoo nga ang mga spekulasyon na talagang matagal-tagal na rin po yung panahon na itinago nila na sila hiwalay. Na sila po ay totoo nga talaga na dumaan sa napakabigat na pagsubok. Pero dito po sa letter niya, parang wala siyang nababanggit kung ano yung rason, ano. And ito pa yung pagpatuloy pa natin. Sabi niya, Katniel, we know you are hurting, and trust me, this also hurt us more than you can imagine. The last thing we want is for this family to break apart with everyone taking sides. Please don't. Dij and I will continue to support each other as we try to heal and move forward from this. We will continue to love you and make you proud, but we hope you understand that this is something we really need. We hope you can join us in this healing process and not let those precious memories to go to waste. Kaya natin to. So, ganito katindi yung mga revelasyon. Parang sobrang, yung sa mga salita po ni Miss Catherine Bernardo, siya po talaga yung sobrang in pain. Siya yung sobrang, nasaktan dun sa paghihiwalay nila ni Mr. DJ, ni Mr. Daniel Padilla. So, sa mga sinabi niya ngayon, nasa healing process pa rin sila ng kanilang paghihiwalay ni DJ, and hanggang ngayon po, nagko-cope up pa rin sila. Sabi niya pa, Did you gave me 11 years and the kind of love that I will forever cherish. I will always be grateful for you. Grabe, sakit-sakit naman ito. Grabe naman itong mga revelasyon ni Miss Catherine Bernardo, no? Pero ang kagandahan lang sa mga statement niya, never niya pong siniraan at never niya po na sinabi kung ano yung pinaka-main reason, kung ano yung dahilan ng paghihiwalay nila. Maaring, kaya nakapagsalita na rin si Catherine, is na siya kumbaga unti-unti niya nang natatanggap. Kumbaga parang siguro may pagkakataon, binigyan niya ng pagkakataon si Daniel Padilla na bumawi o kaya naman magkaroon sila ng reconciliation, but because for the longest time hindi na po talaga naging okay yung relationship nila, and this is gonna be the best time para po talagang, kasi yung story kasi nila is kailangan nilang they need to explain, lalo na po sa mga fans po nila. Kaya naman, Katniel, move on na tayong lahat. Kung gustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag mo kalimutan mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe. At i-follow mo na rin ang aking Facebook page for more updates. God bless everyone. See you on my next vlog.